Okay, I'm working on, this is a video. I have the Innovis 6700D Quattro 2 by Brother. I love my Brother machine. I'm doing this stitch and I'm working on, these are the character decorative stitches, the one that's highlighted in blue. So I'm working on this one. So with this machine, you're able to oh wait a minute, because what I just did was I turned this way to the left, but I actually want to turn it back to the right. So if I click on this, see the stitch turned to the right. So when I pressed the arrows, it turned my stitch. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna do this. This is the pocket. Now I don't know if you could see better with the, no, you can't. No, it's better with it off. Okay, so I'm gonna do this stitch and I'm gonna show you this machine works beautifully. So I have to basically work fast because when I go slow, I make mistakes. Now I'm coming to the end. I'm going to turn it. So now this one I have it in the inner corner of my foot. So it's good to like count the design stitch because I got to turn it again. See it, and I have the edge of the fabric on the inside of the foot. You could also, the machine, you could unplug the foot pedal and just turn on the button. I'm going to go a little slow here because the fabric is a little, you know, it's thick. And I'll do one more stitch here. All right, because I wanted to get right into that corner. So as I'm coming towards the edge, because I got to turn it again, because I want it to match, but it's not going to match because I'm holding the phone. Let me cut this piece off. And I save all my threads. And I'll make a video one day what I do with all my threads. Okay, so Now it's getting pretty close. Okay, I'm going to stop it right there. Okay. And that's the stitch that it does. I love my brother. I love my Innovis. I had the Bernina. I went crazy. I had the 8 series, and it was just so particular. The machine, if you don't do A, B, C, and D the correct way, it didn't work, and it was driving me crazy. So I'm glad I have this. So now you see the back. My bobbin is white. This is the tension. I mean, on this machine, you really don't have to touch the tensions too much, but I leave it alone. Only in just certain fabrics I'll touch the tension, but I think it came out cute. So now I'm going to add this. This is going to be part of the inside, the lining for the pocket for my granddaughter's purse.